I'm Christy Rost. Homemade goodness begins with fresh ingredients. Add a bit of imagination, favorites from your pantry and the refrigerator crisper drawer, and a shallow sheet pan, and you have the makings of an amazing meal, like today's sheet pan chicken dinner. I've lined 2 sheet pans with parchment paper, which is really going to help with the cleanup later on. And I'm using chicken thighs and chicken legs. And then I add red potatoes that I've rinsed and quartered. And you just want to distribute these around the chicken. One more, here's a spot. Okay, and then I have broccoli florets, and I like to leave as much of the stem as I can because that's really good nutrition right there. So don't get rid of it, just use it, stick it in here. Here you go, and one more up there. Okay, and then I have carrots, which I've rinsed and peeled, and I've cut them into wedges. I have red onion wedges. You can also use sweet onions. That would work very well. And you just want to put everything, just distribute it as evenly as you can. There we go. Next I have fresh garlic. I have 5 cloves of fresh garlic. And I've saved some for this other sheet pan here, which is just about ready to go in the oven. Chop the garlic coarsely. Then I'm going to make up seasoning mixture. I have 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, a teaspoon of seasoned salt, 3/4 teaspoon of creole seasoning, give it a nice little bite, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, or you could use sea salt, and a teaspoon of dry thyme. And I always like to rub my dry spices between my hands. And then I'm going to put in a good 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Stir this. That smells good. And then I just sprinkle this over the chicken and vegetables. And I save some for the other sheet pan. So this is going to feed a family of 6 or more. This is a large recipe, and it's nice because you can also freeze leftovers and serve them another time. And then I just drizzle each pan with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And the other one. Alrighty, then I've preheated my oven to 400 degrees, and I'm going to take both sheet pans and roast these in the oven for about 45 to 60 minutes until the chicken is done and the vegetables are nice and tender. After 30 minutes in the oven, remove the sheet pans and turn the potatoes and vegetables over so that everything gets evenly toasted. And then pop it back in the oven until it's done. For school nights and busy work days, there's nothing like sheet pan chicken dinner to satisfy hungry appetites. It's a complete meal in a pan. Add your favorite root vegetables and you'll be gathered around the dinner table in no time. Take care, find the joy.